What's going on? Jacob here, and I brought in one of my favorite fans from my channel, and this one, he's gonna blow you away. So in this video, I wanna go over this M18 fan, and I wanna go in a little more depth, what I like about it, what I don't like about it, some mods. I've already shown you the bracket that we found on Thingiverse that you can print that can hold your cord. And I wanna show you something in this package, but I also wanna show you two more problems with this fan, and at least one of them can be fixed right here. But one of them I haven't found a fix for, so if you guys know, comment. Otherwise, watch this, and we're gonna make this fan a lot better. Okay, so here's my fan, right, bracket. Let's go move some stuff out of the way. You've got a bunch of different batteries. And I'm gonna show this off because this is the number one problem I have with this, right? So here you can see, this is an old XC. Here's a newer XC5. And if you guys have watched Milwaukee's marketing, they claim that all of these batteries, right? So I've got a high output XC6, and then I have the big boy, right? The 12. Everyone wants to put the 12 in this fan, and there's a problem. But actually, there's a fundamental problem with these batteries. And I'm gonna start with the oldest, because this fan's been out here for a while. So let's watch this. I'm gonna put this battery in, and you guys are gonna see this. That's stuck in there now. That thing is a pain in the butt. It's a big fan pain in the butt. So now to get this out, I literally have to pinch these. I have to put a screwdriver behind it, and I have to pry to get this battery in. And this battery is meant to work in this fan. This fan has been out forever. So I'll take a slightly newer battery. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the XC50. This is slightly newer, and you can see it's taking a little less effort. So as the batteries get newer, right? So someone would say, okay, well, there's something wrong with that old battery. And if you look at it, so okay, the battery's not the cleanest, whatever, but you would think that the older batteries should fit in there easier. And we can see in here where it's rubbing and creating grime on it, okay? But the crazy thing is, right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the XC60, and that one fits a little bit easier, and that one clears, right? But the weirdest battery that fits the easiest are the newer ones. So it's like when they got newer in batteries, they started to change the tolerances. But this is everyone's problem with this battery, which is now the fan is unstable. It sits on the battery, okay? Obviously, we talked in a past video about this. The cord is another problem, right? There's nowhere to push a cord. But what else is a problem with this, right? Super dramatic commercial. It doesn't lock into your Packout. But we can fix that. So I need something to make this better, and Vernon took care of us. DeckedOut Packout, he got us hooked up with something. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. It's purple. It's the big purple. No, it's not Barney. All right. So let's open this up. Oh yeah. Can you see what this is? This is a mega 3D printed accessory. And this thing, oh yeah, this is gonna be nice. Let's get an Allen wrench and let's get this thing installed. So this has got some serious hardware. So we got a socket here. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna bend this fan over. Okay, so if you're impatient, put your M18 or your M12 fuel stubby impact on the lowest setting and do 13 ugga-duggas. All right, so now our base is on, and if you notice, our fan is more stable. But more important, look, the 12-0 fits now, right? So we fixed all the problems, video's over. Cool, thanks for watching. But wait, watch this. If you guys were watching when I put this on, watch a little bit more. It's a Packout fan now. That's right, Vernon did it. We have the ability to put, camera person, come here. Come here, we gotta show this up close. It fits the form factor. It still is square, right? It's no less stable, and if anything, it's more stable, especially if you have the 12-0. The 12-0 goes in here now, and it's stable, and it fits on a frickin' Packout. Look, you can put it in a couple different spots. Put it at the back of the Packout. You can put it on the left side or the right side. Come on, go and check it. Look at it, it's a Packout fan. Milwaukee didn't make it. Vernon did, DeckedOut Packout. So, if you like this, you know where to go. Go to the comments. Let me know if you like this. But then check the description, because I'm going to put a link to Vernon's site, DeckedOut Packout. It's 3D Technologies, something like that. I'll put a link in the description, and you can get one for yourself. But let me know if you've had problems, not with the 12-0, but with any of the original Milwaukee batteries being tighter than a... No, this is YouTube, we gotta be friendly. But obviously, we don't want to put that battery in there now. But who would? Because now, I can put this on my Packout cooler. I can take Packout Princess and this to the beach, and we can have a fan even if there's not a breeze. So like I said, look at this. I can move my whole Packout stack with this fan now. It's Packout compatible. Vernon, DeckedOut Packout, and its website is 3dtechnologiesusa.com. So check this out. I'm gonna also put links in the description, as I always do, to get this. You're gonna want this, because I know you guys do, because all of you kept asking, when can we get a Packout fan? When can we get a Packout fan? How do we put the bigger battery in it? He's done both. Vernon has done both. Look at this. I mean, it's a Packout bracket. It holds the XC12-0, or the whatever, the big 12-0. What more do you want? He's fixed the problems. So, I appreciate you guys watching, and thank you, Vernon, for sending this out, because Packout Princess wants a fan, and she wants it to run all day, all night long. All night long, all night. And now I can. So, thanks for watching, everyone. I appreciate all of you watching, subscribing, all that good fun stuff. You have a good one, and it's time for me to get this pack out of here, because she'll kill me if I leave this in her living room. See y'all! So she's recording, and I'm a pretty ballerina. Outtake. Okay.